na sinasabi ko, pati mga anak ko siyempre. Say hi. Hello. What is that? One? The other one is broken.
Let me try this.
You try with that monkey book.
Going back to Hana. Wow.
Anak, it's drizzle. It's drizzle. It's drizzle. It's drizzle. We are going to get wetting na. Wetter. It's drizzles na. We get wetter. Where's your tablet? It might get wetter. Yeah, because it's drizzles. Guys, we know how to talk in proper English. Guys. They're just doing it.